Hi, this is Tom Knoll, President of CIMI Corporation. It's pretty obvious when we look at the fact that Microsoft is now going to integrate Skype with its Outlook.com web service, has already done the integration with its Link Unified Communications, that we may be reaching this kind of oxymoronic state with respect to the idea of UC in the beginning. Uh, how unified can you be if everybody's got a different platform? If there is an architecture choice that is really going to a substantial degree, impact how much intercollaboration we can really do among these things. But I think there's also a broader question here with UC, and that is that the whole notion of unified communications as an architecture may be moronic instead of just oxymoronic. We're used to the idea now in the operating systems of today, even on tablets and smartphones, in spinning up different apps for different purposes and running several of them at the same time. And so, for example, if I can do collaboration with instant messaging, email, video, voice, and so forth, all from the same device in a relatively seamless and relatively flexible way, do I really necessarily need to do them from the same architecture? Yes, there are going to be things like open meeting dialogues where you have a shared screen or presentation or whiteboard where we are going to have some level of architectural commonality. But according to the data that I get from users, most of the collaborations that we have today are still based on fairly simple combinations of electronic exchanges, voice calls, and once in a while sending or receiving or sharing documents or other kinds of files. So it may be that we're asking too much for integration of UC at the client level, at the level of the user, and maybe we're not thinking deeply enough about how we're going to integrate the streams into all of the various architectures that we're developing. Let's have the right kind of UC. Thank you. I'm Tom Ball.